Today we'll be talking to a software engineer who has loads of experience in AI and machine learning. So why don't you tell us what skills do you think are required to study AI and machine learning?
Primarily, the nature of skills that you would require would be pertaining to Java, Python, R, Spark, Scala. These are primarily the skills on the technical side that you basically require. However, for the more attuned, we are so that you are able to primarily understand the relationship between what is primarily being asked by the business and what can essentially be delivered. It's very important to have knowledge of the business as well.
Okay, great. So
Yeah.
since most students are not studying computer science today, how could these individuals increase their knowledge in AI and implement that in their own professions?
A lot of the content already is available on the internet. People who want to get within the subject can browse through the net. But if they have a greater amount of grounding right from school onwards, or in areas where they're already involved. For example, a lot of the students primarily go over to robotic classes. Some go for programming classes. So these are good avenues wherein you can gain a certain amount of traction in order to learn about these skills. However, foremostly, I think it's your own motivation to learn a certain set of skills. For example, I was exceedingly motivated by analytics, and this slowly and steadily allowed me to do a lot of data modeling, which I currently utilize in my profession with an AI.
So what courses could individuals who have just entered the job market take in order to increase their knowledge in AI?
As I said, no one specific course will give you the experience necessary. It's always good to learn up from the internet. You can take up a lot of other courses like Coursera courses, or whatever LinkedIn primarily provides you as part of its knowledge bank. But ultimately, it all comes down to what specific area within AI you want to primarily target. So if you're looking at machine learning or artificial intelligence, are you looking at making of bots? Are you looking at visual problems that are related to AI? Are you looking at the pharmaceutical industry or the medical domain? Are you looking at the legal domain? So each of these particular domains primarily offers a different sort of a challenge. Some could be video related AI problems, some could be audio related AI problems, and the others could be NLP related AI problems. Each of these offer a different path in which people can primarily venture into, and and the choice of any of these specific areas would be dependent on what the person wants to pursue.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for your advice, and I wish you all the very best.
Yeah, thanks.